In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Login to a Lovable app. By the end, you'll have Google Sign In enabled for your project and a clear path to surface it in your app's UI. Start by opening your browser and searching for Lovable Dev. Look for the official Lovable site in the results and head there. Once you land on the homepage, click Sign In. Use the account you normally use for Lovable so you can access your projects without interruption. On the Lovable home screen, locate the projects area. This is where all your work lives. Depending on your view, you'll either see a list of recent projects or a grid of all your applications. Find the specific project you want to update with Google Login. On that project's card, click the three dots menu in the corner. From that menu, choose Open in New tab. Keeping the dashboard open is helpful in case you need to hop back for settings or to reference another project. In the Project tab you just opened, look for the cloud icon. This is where you connect your app to Lovable's backend services. Click it, then select Enable Lovable Cloud. This step turns on the cloud features your app needs for authentication. It may take a moment for provisioning to complete, so give it a second if you see a spinner. Next, navigate to the Cloud section. Inside Cloud, click Users. This is where you manage your app's user accounts and authentication providers. Then click Auth to open the authentication settings. You'll see options for different identity providers here. Select Google. Finally, toggle on Enable Google Sign In. That switch authorizes your app to accept Google as a login provider through Lovable's authentication layer. If the interface shows a confirmation or applies changes automatically, just let it finish before moving on. With Google Sign In enabled on the back end, it's time to surface it in your interface. In the chat panel, prompt the AI with Add a Sign In with Google button to my login page. This instructs the assistant to insert a properly wired button, styled to match your app, and connected to the Google provider you just enabled. If your app has multiple login screens, specify which page in your prompt so the button appears exactly where you want it. That's it. You searched for Lovable Dev, signed in, opened your project in a new tab, enabled Lovable Cloud, navigated to Cloud, Users, and Auth, selected Google, and turned on Google Sign In. Then used the chat prompt to add the button to your login page. You're ready to offer a smooth, familiar Google login experience in your Lovable app.